coffee maker back in the garage. And it still works.
11, 10, 9,
7,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1.
1.
Happy
New
New
Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, we made it another year. Happy New Year, Nori! Give her to me. Happy New Year, baby girls. Happy New Year. Ain't a pretty girl.
Welcome back, guys. With all the expensive curry cup, all kind of crap that we have. Now, I just pulled this out of our garage. The old coffee maker, and it still works.
I need help.
What? It works. Old coffee maker. Still works. Yeah, remember all this fancy stuff now, all the money we spend? We end up back with this coffee maker. Back up to old DVD, CD, that way we can have something to keep it, be happy. Test run.
All the days that you say